Hello everyone, today I will show you how to disable camera on iPhone. First go to settings, now scroll down and go to screen time. So if it's first time that you're opening screen time, so follow on screen instruction to set it up. Scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction. Now tap on allowed apps and features. From here, turn off camera, disable camera. Now go back. Ensure time passcode is set. If not, set it up using your Apple ID. Once the passcode is set, the camera is blocked. Now go to home screen and search for camera. You will see that it will not show camera app. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.